shooting this video because this is my largest car in my Lego design. So I will show you. So it is my largest car. It is tow truck. So I will show you six features. So first feature is these turnings. Second feature is crane. Third feature is car carrier. Fourth feature is machine cover. Fifth feature is gas tank. So I will show you what it do from these features. So it can lift heavy materials easily like this. So you can also see now it can carry this car easily. So if you like this video,